This is an 8-inch wall fan. You can hang it up, put it up anywhere that you need to be cooled off. Summer, spring, winter, fall. Have some air circulating. We're going to open this bad boy up, show you what it's all about, how to install it, set it up. Everything nicely laid out on the table. The unit comes bubble wrapped and in packaging. You have a user's guide that gives you a lot of information about the product and how to go about it. This is the fan. It's an oscillating. The controls are on the fan if you just turn around and look over here. It is a gimbal that you can adjust, and then this will rotate. Now on this fan, if you grab it over here and you just put your hands, you go counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, and then I'm going to put my hands here. I'm able to get inside and I'll clean it with a nice damp cloth and so forth. To put it back on, just simply with your thumbs grab it, lock it into place, and you're good. The accessories here that need to run the fan is the power supply you're going to hook up. It is USB-C. We have here is the remote control, on, oscillate, speeds, and the 2025 battery key slot. Over here, you take off the main base. The base could be either glued or screwed. Underneath it will be instructions on how to glue, that you're going to clean the surface, prepare it, adhere it, and allow time. And last but least, you get the glue and the hardware, 2 screws. 3 ways to do this: glue the base, keyhole, or screw. You're going to need a manual drill or a drill that's automatic, and you're going to take your screw, find a spot on the wall, lock it down. Make sure you level it the best you can by eye, and then go diagonally and fill in the amount of holes you want. You're going to take your power lead, slide it through the surface plate. You're going to take this cover off by either putting your pinky in, as you can see you can move it, or take a screwdriver and put it behind like so, or over here like so. It comes off real easy. Over here's your port. With enough cable, you're going to slide it through. You're going to grab it by so. You're going to line up. And what you're going to do is snap it into place by getting this slip here, clicking in. The cover is going to go back on in reverse order. These 2 notches are going to go here. So I'm going to now slide my cable. I'm going to line these notches up like so. I want to make sure my cable goes through all the way and goes like this. As I match up the back notch and the back piece, I put a little pressure on here and I take the locking mechanism and lock down. I want to make sure it clicks into place. There you go. So if you ever need to take this off the wall, you can just simply lift it up, take it off. If I tilt the fan up, it exposes the on and off, 4 speeds, and over here it exposes the timer. And this is the oscillating. So we're going to press 1. This is the sensor, speed number 1. I'm going to face it down towards you. Speed number 2, 3, 4. With the fan, I'm going to put the microphone there. 1. That is quiet. No need to do 2. A little louder. And 3. I have my speed chosen. If I want to go a half, 15 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, that's what it looks like to me. I simply long press the button, then I have the choice to go to the different hours, and then the fan will shut off. I have an oscillating button. And if I want to stop my oscillating, I do it via the remote control, and I can shut my fan off by going through the cycles of the speeds. If I turn my fan on, the option of going through a faster step to the timer is on the remote control than long pressing. If I don't want to lose this remote, I put it back here and I leave it there. If I want to tap this down, I can do so, hide my wires. It's a 12 volt, 11 watt fan with 3 speeds and a super speed. 70 inch of cable, 90-degree oscillating. With a half, 1.5, 4, and 8 hour timer and the 4 speeds. The fan is very comfortable for your workplaces. The fan is great, small, 8 inches, great for your workplace that you need to hang on the wall on those nice hot days. It is pretty quiet, does a great job. Check online for further details if there are other sizes and colors available for your needs. So if you're looking for something on a 12 volt system that's going to do a great job for you, compact and powerful, this fan may be right for you with the remote control. I hope this is something that you are looking for your fan needs. Enjoy the product if this is right for you.